Convert photo to coloring page online. With Mimi Panda, you can convert any photo into coloring page online for your kids and friends, even for yourself. How to convert photo to coloring page. Step 1. Press on this button for uploading your photo from your PC or smartphone. Step 2. Download your coloring page converted from your photo. In a couple of seconds after uploading your photo, you get your ready coloring page. Click on the download. The list of actions that you can perform with the coloring. Download origin photo will be adjusted to the coloring size. Download coloring on your PC. Print coloring right away. Print original photo right away. Copy and share a link to your coloring. Share link via email. Permanently delete your photo. Try convert photo to coloring page online by clicking on the link in the description and video.